ga ik terug naar 1997, naar de eerste editie. Waarbij we met een grapje zijn begonnen. In de zin van, we gaan in een weiland een beetje crossen en dan gaan we een feesttentje naast zetten. En dat was zo'n succes. We kregen de smaak te pakken. We wilden groeien, we wilden meer. En zo is het festival heel langzaam gegroeid.
Zwarte Cross is one of the largest outdoor music and sports festivals in Europe. We have been providing the Wi-Fi network really to offload the data from the public 3G, 4G network. Together with our partner Indicium, we're trying to enhance the user experience.
Hier realiseren is eigenlijk het hele draadloze en bekabelde netwerk. Want het grote voordeel hiervan is dat de veiligheid geborgd is. En daarnaast zien we dan ook dat mensen 4G gaan gebruiken. Dus de mix eigenlijk van 4G en draadloos netwerkgebruik.
Imagine a green field where cows are feeding themselves for 144 acres and you have to set up an event including so much IT as we do here at Zwarte Cross. You have to have a lot of glass fiber to host people, to scan 2,000 people per gate per hour. So we have 9 gates, so 80,000 people are able to enter in the area. Those are challenges because there's nothing here.
This year introduced a few new analytic systems that Zwarte Cross is using to understand what are the trends on the network, what are the issues on the network, or how the network is performing during the festival days and before. What it does effectively is it looks into all of the traffic for all of the clients, what they're doing, when they're doing, and how much traffic they push, what applications they use. You can see that the network response and application response very stable.
This is of course a great hospitality event. We're providing the best connectivity in festivals like this because people more and more want to be connected with the people at home, their friends, their family, and we can help the organization there to give all the visitors better experience.
So for this year, we are also providing our extreme guest solution. When they connect to the free Wi-Fi network here at Zwarte Cross, they get a nice splash space where they can just click on accept and connect.
They are moving all the time, and this is what we can understand here as the dwell times. By the hour of the day, by the day of the week, we know how many of them are new users that just came in today, how many of them have registered, for example, yesterday, and this is the returning connection.
Last year we did about 5 terabyte of data transfer across our Wi-Fi into the internet. I'm very glad to have a technical partner like Extreme Network to help us solve these issues we encounter every year.
Je wil weten waar mensen uithangen, je wil weten hoe mensen zich registreren, je wil weten hoe voorraden worden bijgehouden. Dat betekent dat techniek eigenlijk onmisbaar is. Sterker nog, als de techniek uitvalt, kunnen we haast niets meer. We hebben een partner, Extreme Networks, die ons daarbij ondersteunt. En daar zijn we ontzettend trots op, want daardoor hebben we het wel voor elkaar om voor iedereen dit hele mooie feest mogelijk te maken.